High courts in India are the highest courts of appellate jurisdiction within a state or union territory, with a significant power to issue writs for enforcing fundamental rights and other legal rights. The Chief Justice and other judges are appointed by the President after consulting with the Chief Justice of India, the Governor of the state, and the Chief Justice of the High Court, according to the Indian Constitution. Appointment of judges. President's role. The President of India appoints High Court judges, including the Chief Justice. Consultation. The appointment of the Chief Justice is made after consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of the state. For other judges, the Chief Justice of the High Court is also consulted, according to the Indian Constitution. Qualifications of judges. Citizenship. Must be a citizen of India. Judicial or bar experience. Must have held a judicial office in India for at least 10 years, or have been an advocate of a high court, or high courts in succession, for at least 10 years. Powers and jurisdiction. 1. Appellate jurisdiction. High courts primarily hear appeals from lower courts. 2. Writ jurisdiction. High courts have a wider writ jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution compared to the Supreme Court's jurisdiction under Article 32, which can be used to enforce fundamental rights and other legal rights. 3. Original jurisdiction. High courts may exercise original civil and criminal jurisdiction in cases where subordinate courts are not authorized by law. 4. Superintendence. High courts have power of superintendence over all courts and territories within their jurisdiction, as per Article 227 of the Constitution. And 5. Court of Record. Each High Court is a court of record and has the power to punish for contempt of itself. Removal of judges. Impeachment. High Court judges can be removed by the President on grounds of proven misbehavior or incapacity through a process of impeachment. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.